Werth to right center. Jason Hayward, he's setting himself up for a throw because there's a pitcher running, but he'll throw it into the shortstop. And Doug Fister helps the Nats manufacture a run here. Zimmerman hits it hard, and Matt Adams playing way off the line, not going to get there. It's a 5-2 game. Lackey didn't give his first baseman any help. And now the Nats have a crooked number up there. We'll see how they score it.
Well, that's a big break, and they got to make that hurt. John Lackey didn't get over there. The scout report on John Lackey is he doesn't pay attention to detail on the mound. Watch him stand there and not get to first base. As soon as Matt Adams couldn't handle the hot shot off the bat of Ryan Zimmerman, it was only a matter of Zimmerman could beat Matt Adams to the base. Watch Lackey stand there. You have to get over and cover that. The inning's over.
That's a center cut slider. 2 runs are going to score, and maybe 3. Here comes Zimmerman. This game is tied.
And we said this might have to be a night where you slug and pick up your pitcher. Well, the Nats have done it. The line is moving, folks. 9th hitter of the inning about to come up, and how clutch has Yunel Escobar been so far in this season.
So the Nats overcame 5-run deficits twice to win last year, and we'll see how this one turns out tonight. What a comeback.